So now, which direction should you roll? Like, is rolling clockwise or counterclockwise better within it? It's really going to depend on how you were laboring, where baby is. So most babies want to go LOT, LOA to OA. So they want to rotate in a clockwise fashion. So baby's rotating that way. So if I'm rolling, I want to roll opposite of that to help facilitate this movement. So if I start on my left side, so I'm over here, and baby's trying to rotate this way, well then when I roll this way counterclockwise, baby's going to be able to go clockwise. And then if I keep rolling, baby can kind of keep following that. So when I'm rolling, I want to roll counterclockwise if baby's trying to roll clockwise. So if baby's in the left side trying to go left, that's the direction I want to go. So just try to visualize where baby might be trying to go and try to help facilitate that for either clockwise or counterclockwise rotation. Typically